Chelsea Royce. In this training, I will be walking you through how to use the backend of WordPress to customize your website and build it out. We'll be going over how to create pages in WordPress, how to create a WordPress menu, how to create a blog post in WordPress, and how to go ahead edit any pages or blog posts along with customizing your WordPress using plugins and extensions. All right, so now that you have your theme installed and your WordPress built into your backend of Bluehost, you'll go under Home, under the Bluehost Home, and it'll walk you through steps of creating your pages or posts. So we'll go ahead and click Add a Page, and when you click that, it takes you to a little tutorial of how to use their block editor, which will allow you to make more custom changes on it. So you'll want to go ahead and add the pages that you would like. So for example, you could have an About page, and you could write the text that you would want to be on this About page. If you want a main photo image on this, you can click Featured Image and click Set Featured Image. And you would just go ahead and drag and drop any files that you want. So I'll go ahead, select Upload an Image, and you'll go ahead, select it, and then just click Set Featured Image. You can click this drop down and it'll do different paragraphs of how, if you want to edit the text, make it bold, italicize, or hyperlink. You can change the color here. You can click this icon for tools. And you can click this to add a block, which will give you more things like a heading if you want up top. You can add an image if you want on the page. By clicking Image, you can add a gallery. So it gives you an example of what it looks like here. You can add audio, file, video, different buttons. You can even embed your social media accounts to the page. So once you have it with the content that you would want, you'll go ahead and click Publish, and it says it is now live. So you can go ahead and click View Page. And now you have the start of your About page. And then if you want to go ahead and add a blog post, you'll go back to Home, and you'll click Add Blog Post. It then takes you to the same features. So you can type in the blog post title, any text that you have, and you have the features to add more things like a paragraph, quote, you can do an image. And once you have that done, you'll just click Publish. It says it is public and it is published, which then allows you to view posts. You can always add on more blog posts by going to Post here. So this is the one that we created. So if we wanted to edit, you can click Edit. It'll take you to the back end to edit it. As well as if you want to add more, you can click Add New. If you want to add more pages, you'll go ahead and go to Pages on the side menu as well to access it. And you can click Add New Page. You'll also see the one that we just built out called About. So you can edit it, you can delete it, or you can view it. And you can add more pages. And then you'll want to create a menu. So the menu is the top part of your website that has the pages listed. So under Appearances, you'll go to Menus, and you'll want to select Primary. This goes ahead and puts the menu up top. We'll go ahead and just title it as a Create Menu. You then have your menu created. We'll want to go ahead and select what pages we want to add to the menu. So we'll do an About page. We'll click Add to Menu. That then goes ahead and shows it there. If I wanted to add more, I can go ahead and click Add to Menu, and I can rearrange these in the order that I want. Then I'll just click Save Menu. And then you can customize your website by adding on more plugins and extension by going to Plugins, and it shows you the current plugins that are there. You can also search additional plugins that you may want to go ahead and add on. So if you want to add more extensions, you can click Add New. And then you can search the type of extension that you want. So if I want to integrate more SEO to the website, I could type in SEO. And it'll give you options of different SEO plugins. So you'll just click Install Now. And then these plugins will add on to the side here for additional features that you can utilize, customize, and add on to your website. And to customize more of your theme, you'll go to Appearances and click Customize. You can also make custom edits to your WordPress site through this. So you can go to menus and you can click create new menu. You can title the name. So I could title this the second menu. You can do where you want it at. You'll click add items. It'll then take you to the pages. So you have your home page, about, the sample page. And if I wanted to add any new pages, you can go ahead and add that. So this could be a contact page. I'll go ahead, click contact. You can also rearrange these. So if I wanted the about page, I would drag and drop it up. And then I have customized a menu. You can click primary menu for it to be up top. And then click publish. If you click on widgets, it goes to the footer. So it allows you to go ahead and change anything that you would want in the footer. If you want to add custom code, you can do additional CSS to add in code. If you wanted to change the font, so you could change the font family, any of your font size, if you want it changed on mobile, in this section. You can change the color here. So if you want to change the color on which part of the page, you'll go ahead and select it. So you can select what you want in the color. And then you'll just click publish. So you're able to customize in this section as well of your WordPress, as well as on your side menu. When you're in your dashboard, you can add media, so images to your site. When you go ahead and edit anything, your pages are here. Your header, if anybody leaves you any comments, that is this section. To edit anything on your WordPress theme will be under appearances. You have your plugins here. So those are your additional features. And then you have users. So if you have anybody that you would want to go ahead and help manage your WordPress, you can invite them. And any plugins that came with your theme will also be downloaded. So for example, Good Layers came with your theme. So you can go ahead, click Get Start and Import, and it'll walk you through additional plugins by clicking Install Required Plugins. You'll select them all and click Apply. Which if you go into Good Layers, it makes it more user-friendly to go ahead and change things that you want. So you have your layout up top. If you want a header up top, you can see the different designs. So like your logo in the corner and then your pages with social media on the side, so you could select that. It gives you if you want like a sidebar, and you'll just click Save Options. You can also edit your logo, so you can go ahead, click on your logo to add your logo. So I'll just click this image for an example. You'll click Save Options. Then you have your page titles if you want to customize them. If you have any blog style that you want, you can select that here. And up top, you have your typography. So this can be how you can customize the text on it. So your font family. You can click on color for any color changes that you would like. And you can see some of the things that I've started to integrate. So the logo in the side corner, the 3 pages, the color font, some of the text. So you can go to your website and see it as you integrate these changes. So there's multiple ways that you can edit inside your WordPress under Good Layers of your theme. So whatever the theme is that you installed, you can edit it based off of that. You can edit it on the side menu, going to the section that you want to edit or add anything, as well as under appearances with editing more things onto your theme. So that is how to utilize the backend of WordPress and start building out your site to design it how you want.